We are back in familiar territory in Texas for a visit at Piney Ridge RV Park with Bob and Bob Jr. We thought it'd be fun for them to meet the dogs of Piney Ridge. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
And I'm Gary.
And I'm Bob.
And I'm Bob Jr.
And we are back at Piney Ridge in Tyler, Texas. This is where Snowmageddon happened, and we have a lot of people who have watched that video and still are watching it. So if you haven't seen that one yet, check it out. We thought it would be fun to just stop in and see all our friends here in Tyler. We have some dear, dear friends here. And this time we thought we would introduce Bob to their dogs. So what do you say, guys? Should we go out and meet the dogs of Piney Ridge? Oh, all right.
Okay.
You sound a little nervous. Are you sure?
Oh, we'll be fine.
As long as you're with us.
Yeah, just don't leave us behind.
Okay.
Archie, what do you think of Bob? What do you think of Bob?
That's not Bob. This is Bob.
Don't you like Bob, or is your Bob sweet? Is your Bob nice? Yeah, okay, that's a piece of plastic. What are you giving me this plastic for? Don't, now he's gonna bite him. What do you think of Bob? This is Ellie. Ellie thought it was a treat? You know that word, don't you? But Bob is not a treat. She's ignoring Bob. She doesn't want anything to do with Bob.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
no reason to
No
eat that
reason.
one.
Nope. Smart dog.
Good girl.
That's Bob. Don't you like Bob? It's Bob and Bob.
Archie.
She's right here. Lola's going around and Ellie's, yeah.
Where you going? And then we have Faith. Faith! Woo!
Faith isn't interested in us.
No.
Not at all.
Cheyenne, can you sit? Where'd you go? Here, can you sit? Say hi. Say hi to Bob. Say hi to Bob. Bob says hi. Bob says hi. No.
Doesn't want to have it. There she is. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this one.
Yes, we've been waiting.
So I hope you like that video. I had a dream of having all the dogs sit together and all look at Bob at the same time. That did not happen.
For some reason, that just didn't quite work.
Nope. But what you got, you got. Anyway, that's it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now. Check out, just go ahead and click on that subscribe button, then ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time new videos come up. And until next time, God bless.